Hello everyone, this is Team Asteroid and I am the team leader. So this is our first TPO activity which is the introduction. So I will begin with myself. My name is Yash Dharlobe. I am from Government College of Engineering, Karad. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in Information Technology stream. I am very much interested in Android development, cross-platform development, and competitive programming. I have also done 1 month internship at the Kylo Apps. Over there, I worked on Flutter framework and on the REST APIs. Over there, I developed two of main application. First one for the delivery boys and second one for the farmers. Then I am also giving several outline coding competitions on CodeChef and CodeForces. I have 4-star rating on CodeChef and pupil rating on CodeForces. I have hosted three of my application on Play Store. One of them have 5-star rating and 100 plus downloads. Thank you. Now I will call Akshat Naikodi for his introduction.
My name is Akshat Naikavadi. I am from Sangli district. I am currently pursuing BTech degree from Government College of Engineering, Karad, in third year from Information Technology Department. Talking about my interest, so I have an interest in web development and competitive programming. Nextly talking about my internship, so I completed my 2 months internship on the in the company named Campus 24, which is basically a startup from Kolkata. So I've been working as a web developer intern there. I've been made the changes in their official website. I've been designed various pages as per their given designs, and also implemented the email functionality for subscribing to their newsletter. Nextly, talking about my competitive programming, so I have 3-star rating on CodeChef and max of 809 rating on CodeForces. And nextly, talking about my achievements, so I have been placed in top 15 out of 6,600 participants in Capgemini Tech Challenge 2021 and received an early bird winner prize from Capgemini. Nextly, talking about the hobbies, so I like to play football and read good thoughts. So this was all about myself. Thank you.
Now I will call Ankita Zadav for her introduction.
Hello, hello, good afternoon all. My name is Ankita Jadhav. I am from Satara. I have completed my secondary education from Mandeshmukh Vidyalaya Patan and higher secondary education from Ligade Patil Junior College of Science, Karad. Currently, I am pre-final year student from Government College of Engineering, Karad, specialized in information technologies. I have completed internship in Python with IoT. Currently, I am taking training from Edunate Foundation on web development. Various technologies that I have learned help me to build my mini project, driver rousiness detection system using convolutional neural network in the domain of machine learning, including my hobbies. I like reading books, exploring new technologies, listening music, and cooking. That's it. Thank you.
Now I will call Hajra Vaikar for her introduction.
Hello everyone. First of all, thanks for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Hajra Vaikar and I am from Karad, Maharashtra. I am pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad, Maharashtra. My current CGPA is 8.82. I have secured a 93.4 percentage in my 10th standard and 84.9 percentage in my 12th standard. IT is omnipresent, means it is present in every field. So I have successfully invested my last 2.5 years in developing my software skills and technical skills. My technical skills includes programming in C, C++, Java and databases. I am also familiar with web development. I have used these skills to build several projects which includes driver's drowsiness detection system by using Python and machine learning concepts, and an e-commerce website for rental clothes for men and women by using web development. Now talking about my achievements, I have been selected by Siemens under Siemens scholarship program for my 4 years of engineering. Siemens has selected first 200 candidates from all over the India and I have secured a 45th rank among them. My strengths includes I'm a team player, I'm a hard worker as well as smart worker, I'm a keen learner and I'm a versatile in nature. That's all about me. Thank you.
Now I will call Neha Pakre for her introduction.
Hello everyone. I am Neha Pakre. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Government College of Engineering Karad in Information Technology. I have completed my secondary school certification from Ratnagiri and higher secondary school certification from Latur. My skills include C, C++, Python, HTML, CSS, and recently I have learned machine learning, which helped me to build my project fake news detection. Then I have also completed online certification courses on C programming, Python with IoT, data science with Python, etc. Then my hobbies include writing poems, drawing, painting, etc. Thank you.
Now, Omkar Patil will give his introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Onkar Patil. I am from Sangli. Currently, I am in third year pursuing BTech degree in the field of information technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My personal, I currently I have CGPA of 9.19. I have personal interest in the field of development. I also like to participate in competitive programming contests. As a part of my academics for mini project, I have created a web app for sorting visualization, which actually allows you to visualize the sorting algorithms. Uh, my my hobbies are playing football, watching animes and web series. I'm a hard worker, and as a result of that, I'm a smart worker also. I have zeal to learn new things. I have zeal to learn new things. Currently, I am focusing on completing my BTech degree with as much as knowledge possible, and apply that knowledge to solve real world problems. My short term goal is to be placed in a respected company as yours. My long term goal is to be best in my respective domain of work. Uh, I want experience and exposure in work, so I'm looking forward to join your company. Thank you. That's all from myself.
Now, I will call Prenda Shinde for her introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pranita Shinde. I'm from Kolhapur. Currently, I'm in third year pursuing BTech Engineering in the field of Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. My personal interest is in the field of cloud computing, data science, and web development. With my interest, previously I have completed my industrial training in the field of data science as a part of academics for mini project. I have built an AI based college inquiry chatbot. For that, I have used the Microsoft Azure's cloud platform. Talking about my hobbies, I enjoy reading books and I like to paint my ideas in my free time. So that's all about me. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself.
Now, I will call Rushikesh Patil for his introduction.
Hello everyone, I am Shikesh Patil, currently pursuing third year from Government College of Engineering Karad in Information Technology. So my stack mainly contains web development and C++ programming. I also familiar with core Java concepts and Python concepts, but I mainly use C++ for programming. Uh, According to my projects, I include that I am web developer, so my main stack mainly contains front-end development. As a web developer, I did an internship at Brenovision Private Limited in Hyderabad, so that is a remote internship. I have got some experience that how to develop front end apps and front end web apps and deploy it. So this is the startup, and then my achievements are I am as I have competitive programming, so I have secured a 291 rank in InfiniQ 2K21 on code chip starters. I have also achieved a 321 rank on CodeChef Starters 20 in Due 3. And then talking about my projects, so my projects are in menu projects we have done e-agri web app, which is actually dependent on farmers and buyers, which is actually a bidding type of ad app. Then the weather app, which gives you weather all around the world, whatever city, whatever country. according to that. And that my third project is a portfolio and copy shops. So that is all about myself. Thank you.
Now I will call Swaranjali Yadav for her introduction.
Good afternoon. My name is Swaranjali Yadav. I am a third year student studying in Department of Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my SSC with 89 percentage and HSC with 89.38 percentage. My personal interest is in the field of web development, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. I have done internship in data science with Python and web development. I have done mini project on AI-based college inquiry chatbot using Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. My hobbies are drawing sketches and gardening. My short-term goal is to get a job and make my parents proud. That's all about me. Thank you.
So this is introduction to all of our team members. Thank you.